It's a 2014 Chevy 2500 crew cab short bed, 6.0 gas, four-wheel drive, automatic, 218,000 miles. The transmission is bad. It will not move once it gets warm. Exhaust manifolds were recently replaced. Overall, the truck's not terrible. Some paint missing, got some bumper alignment issues here. Tires aren't great, but they have some tread and hold air. Got a little dent in this area, dent here. That would probably pop out pretty easily if you wanted to. Rocker panel rust, not terrible. Tailgate's banged up, rusted up. Works great. Tailgate even seals up. Really not much rust to speak of on the bed. Little cab corner, little rocker rust. Interiors, plastics and everything are clean. Seats are stained, but they're not, well, I don't know if they're not filthy, but you're not going to get dirty riding on them. They're stained. 218,737 miles. Again, this has a bad transmission. We never drove it down the road. Inspected through July 2025. Potentially put a transmission in this truck and go.